In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload audio files to Chatgpt in just 5 minutes. Whether you're trying to analyze speech, get a transcript, or simply share an audio file, this guide will walk you through each step with ease. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Chatgpt. This can be done on your browser or through the app, depending on what you have installed. Once you've got that open, you'll be brought to the main interface where you can choose to create a new conversation or open an existing chat. If you're initiating a new conversation, it's a great way to keep your content organized. Alternatively, if you have a chat already ongoing that you'd like to continue using, feel free to select that one. Next, direct your attention to the message input bar. On the side, you'll find a handy little plus icon. Go ahead and click that. This icon is your gateway to adding multimedia to your chat, allowing you to bring a richer array of content to the conversation. Clicking on it will present you with several options. After you've clicked the plus icon, you'll want to select the Upload Photos and Files option. This is specifically designed for adding files from your device into the chat, and yes, it includes audio files as well. So go ahead and click on that option, which will open up your File Explorer, but remember, only supported file types can be uploaded. Now it's time to choose your audio file. Browse through your files and locate the audio you wish to upload. It's important here to ensure that the file format is compatible with Chatgpt. Common formats like MP3 or WAV should work just fine. Once you've found your audio file, select it. After selecting your file, you'll need to wait for it to upload. This process should only take a moment depending on the size of your file and your internet speed. You'll see the progress as it uploads right within the chat interface, so be patient and let the upload complete. Once you see it fully uploaded, you're ready for the next step. Lastly, after your file has successfully uploaded, you can go ahead and type in your prompt. This is where you tell Chatgpt what to do with your audio file. Whether you're asking for an analysis, transcription, or any other interaction, just type your question or command into the message bar and hit send. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded an audio file to Chatgpt and can now interact with it as needed. This process is simple yet powerful, opening up a myriad of possibilities for audio interaction with Chatgpt. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.